Been walking all over looking for a 1957 Bonanza H, and here it is. This is the same plane Bob K flew, and I know his aircraft was red, but I'm sure it didn't have this funky paint scheme. But this is it. This is the 1957 H model Bonanza, and it is a beauty. A lot of these planes are still flying. It's a gorgeous airframe, powerful engine. It's what you call a hot rod. The Bonanza took on a reputation as the doctor killer because doctors could afford them, and it was a hot new plane on the market, and it was complex, it was fast, it had retractable landing gear, and there was a learning curve. So sadly, a lot of these crashed, kind of got a bad reputation, undeserved, because that's a similar story, I guess, with any new plane. But she's a beauty. You notice that the wing has a fairly complex shape to it. It comes in and it curves. It has a very broad chord alongside of the aircraft. And interestingly, this design was sort of what the P-51 perfected, the tapered wing. There's a proper name for it. I'm going to look it up so I can sound smarter next time. Here is the famous V-tail. This is called a rudder vader. It works two axis of the aircraft, and if you could see the innards, it's really pretty amazing. In this door right here, you can see how all of this is bungeed together in a mechanical way. It's just an incredible design. One of the problems they're having now keeping these old Bonanzas flying is that there's a lot of titanium in this section, and no one's making that anymore. So some new tooling would have to be accomplished, and someone would have to take on the manufacturer of titanium parts for this aircraft. And so far, no one's thought that would be very profitable. But a lot of these are still in the air.